Welcome! In front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 3 and I'm going to show you how we can apply screen protector on this device. So what we have to get, of course, our screen protector, and it will be very good if you have good source of light, like in my case, because you have to see clearly a very mess and a very stuff that you have on the screen. We have to clean this screen really good to put our glass properly. So at the first, I can recommend you to turn off this device. It will be better to see the dust and other stuff on the screen. Okay, so right now let's open the box with our screen protector, and inside we can find our screen protector and also wipes, wet and dry. We are going to start with wet. So let's start cleaning our screen. Let's take a look here. As you can see, it looks much better right now. I think that right now we can jump to the dry wipe. Okay, and right now we have to be focused. We have to take off dust from the screen, because if we leave this kind of the dust, we will get bubbles under the screen protector. So as you can see right now, the screen is in really good condition. So I think that we can move to our screen protector. So we have to take off this protection. So just make it like that. Just take a look on the screen. We don't have here any pieces of the dust, so we can simply move by putting our glass. So just try to make it from the upper section like that. Let's check how it looks when the screen is turned on. Okay, I think it will be cool. So turn off the screen. Keep holding the bottom part, and then we can press with our finger and then put the bottom part. So as you can see, it goes almost automatically. We don't even have to touch the screen. And it sticks, right? So what we can do right now, we can take this stuff. So we have to press with this wipe, but it sticks really good to our screen. Okay, so as you can see, we're finished. We can right now turn on device and just check the quality of the screen. We don't have here any ghost interaction or something like that. It works really good. So right now we don't have to be afraid of the scratches or anything, of any breaks, because we have here the tempered glass. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!